Hi beauties, welcome back. I've been using the Byoma Barrier Plus Repair Treatment during these harsh winter days, and I must say, it's become an essential part of my skincare routine. This product is a game changer for anyone dealing with sensitive or dry skin. Firstly, let's talk about its effectiveness. After just one use, I noticed a significant reduction in redness and sensitivity. It's remarkable how quickly it soothes irritated skin. Plus, within a week, I saw a noticeable improvement in fine lines and wrinkles, thanks to its potent blend of ingredients. Speaking of ingredients, the formulation is impressive. With barrier lipid complex, avocado oil, ectoine, and squalane, it delivers lasting hydration and nourishment. These ingredients work in harmony to repair and strengthen the skin barrier, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and deeply hydrated. The texture of the treatment is luxurious, rich and buttery, yet it absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. I've been using it as both a moisturizer and a targeted treatment for dry patches, and it's performed exceptionally well in both roles. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to alleviate discomfort associated with conditions like psoriasis. Personally, I've experienced relief from soreness and flakiness, and it's even helped clear up psoriasis flare-ups on my face. In terms of application, a pea-sized amount is all you need. I apply it onto cleansed skin, after toners and serums, and gently massage it in until fully absorbed. It's become my go-to nighttime treatment, ensuring my skin wakes up feeling hydrated and nourished. Overall, I can't recommend the Byoma Barrier Plus Repair Treatment enough, especially if you're dealing with dry, sensitive, or irritated skin. It's a true skincare hero, packed with barrier-building ingredients that deliver visible results. Give it a try. Your skin will thank you.